what we are doing here today?
Connect to Earth.
Yes?
Connect to Earth.
Yes, very good. Connect to Earth. So, today which plant we are planting here?
Neem,
Yes,
turmeric,
yes.
then tulsi,
Peacock ginger, tulsi, yes.
pudina,
Pudina.
blue champa.
What is blue champa in English?
Peacock ginger. This watermelon.
For connect to earth, and we have to plant here some medicinal plant, yes.
Yes.
Okay. First we have to clean this area, then we will dig here afterwards, okay?
Yes.
Then we will plant.
Everyone are helping. We are clearing out the weeds that we planted before.
You have to do like this, okay? Everyone, look at here. You have to do like this.
Want to try once?
Yes.
Oh, this green plants. Green plants like this.
Like this.
Now our area is ready to plant the plants, medicinal plants. We have to we made this spots to plant our medicinal plant. 1, 2, 3, and here we are also making here.
Now the plant we are planting, okay? Everyone.
This is the medicinal plant.
Yes.
This is turmeric, peacock ginger,
Sorry.
Virginia, sorry. Another one. This one is mint. We call this pudina also, and mint. Mint. Another one. This is we called bhumi champa in Nepali. And another one is peacock ginger. This is called peacock ginger. And another one is tulsi. It is also known as holy basil. We can call this holy basil. And this is our aloe vera. Since this is our aloe vera plant, these all are the medicinal plant which we have to plant here, which we are going to plant here, okay? Did you understand, student?
Yes.
This, which plant is this? Yes?
Aloe vera.
This plant. Neem. This is neem tree.
What is this?
Tulsi. Neem.
What do we call that? Mint. Mint in Nepali we can say pudina also, okay? Okay. Now all those things we did here, now we have to plant our medicinal plant, yes or no?
Yes.
So now the first one, what is that, students? Mint. What do we call in Nepali mint? Pudina. Okay.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
May I know this
What?
scientific?
Name of pudina? Okay. Very good question, Ritu. The scientific name of this mint is mentha. What do we call? Mentha. What is the scientific name of mint? Mentha. Okay, now this is the medicinal plant. And what is the properties of this plant is, you all know that this is medicinal plant, yes? The properties of this plant is, we can have this while we are being headache, or we can, by this plant we can reduce our cold and cough also, understand? And we can have this in to our fresh breathe also, in breathing problem, or for reducing headache also, okay? Thank you.
Now. Salya.
Okay, now another plant is our tulsi. What do we call this? Tulsi. And in English? In English we can say tulsi also in English, but the another name of tulsi is holy basil. What do we call? Holy basil. Okay, now we have to plant this there. Okay, now listen. What is actually tulsi? In what is the benefits of tulsi? Say?
Medicine plant.
Medicinal plant. Okay, it is the Ayurvedic plant. Yes? So this is the Ayurvedic plant. What? Yes.
What are the medical benefits of this plant?
Okay, medical benefits. For we can have this for cold and cough, and whenever you are suffering from fever or headache or vomiting, everything. Okay, so this is very useful plant. Understand? And This tulsi is also known as the queen of herbs, queen of herbs also, because in all the parts of the herbs, only tulsi is the thing, all-rounder medicinal. Understand this tulsi? Okay. One scientific name of tulsi? Yes? That is the name. That is the English name. Okay, it's also correct, but the scientific name of tulsi is Omicum tenufera. What do we call? Omicum tenufera. Okay, now another plant is not plant. This is the tree. Okay, neem tree. But this tree is we can't plant here because in hilly region it's very cold. So we can find this in the plain area. For example, in Siliguri or wherever. So this is also from Siliguri, ma'am. Please, let's try this also. Okay. And neem. The properties of neems are neem is the fastest growing evergreen
Like this,
tree. Okay. And this is known as a herb or the village pharmacy also. Why village pharmacy? Because neem is a very important tree for the every part. Neem tree as leaves, branches, barks, every part, even the root also, it is very useful to us. Okay, neem tree. And another thing, it is very powerful antiseptic. And neem, have you heard about neem patta umalera khanu parcha? Nepali ma baje bojule bhane suनेको छ? Why? It is because this is very important plant. Okay, and we will try this time here. Let's see whether it will grows or not. Understand? And the thing is, this plant is for main thing is we will have this while suffering from fevers and cold and cough. Understand? This is the main thing of neem. Yes.
Why should we prefer medical of farmers or medicinal market shop?
Okay, organic. You are asking why we prefer organic medicine. Very good question, Arusi. So organic medicine. What do you mean by organic medicine? You can tell in Nepali also. Explain in Nepali.
This natural
Yes,
plants.
natural plants. For example, if you go to the medical shop, what will happen? You have to pay the money, and not only money, but we have that tablet or whatever the thing, the medicine is there. We need to pay that, and again from that, not only that medicine, but there is antibiotics and all things. Yes or no? So organic, there is no waste of money. Organic, we can plant by ourselves. Look here, we are planting ourselves. No, there is nothing. We will not lose the money also. So we are saving money also. And the another important thing, think about. Have you? Sorry. Do you realize what are the side effects are there? For example, if your stomach is paining, yes, you are having medicine, but the another part of that medicine, another side effect is also there. Okay, so that's why we need to prefer only organic, not medical shop. Okay. Now next is turmeric. No, ma'am. Okay, turmeric.
This is turmeric.
It is the color of turmeric. Can you say?
Yes.
Which color? Orange, not orange actually, but the golden yellow color. Hardi. In Nepali, what do we call? Hardi. Understand? Okay, so this is from the ginger family because the plant is here and down is what? The root part, yes, which we can eat. Okay, stop. Okay, the ginger family used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. This is our traditional medicine. In vegetables also we used to have this. We used to add, yes, for flavor, for color. Okay, so the properties of this is we can reduce the pain, stomach pain or swelling, wherever is swelling, mosquito bite or joint suffering. Okay, so everything we can use this turmeric. This is the traditional medicine of our home. Understand? Stop. Okay, now go everyone, students, please plant this. Everyone go with ma'am. Okay.
Come,
and
students.
another thing, what is
Now
the
we have to plant
scientific
like this, okay?
name of turmeric?
First, we have to do like
Anyone
this.
scientific name of turmeric? Evin, do you know? Curcuma longa. What do we call?
And turmeric, okay?
What do we
This is
call?
turmeric. It's like this, turmeric.
Curcuma longa.
Turmeric. Ritu, this is turmeric. Yes.
तपाईँ चाहिँ लाइभ हाल्छ हाम्रो यस्तोहरू पनि हाल्छ
Okay, fine.
That's what I want to Turmeric is the part.
Now next is Virginia.
Virginia.
Virginia, that is, what do we call in Nepali? Nepali. Pakhanbet. Pakhanbet, okay? So this is also a perennial evergreen plant. This is medically we can use this in diarrhea, dysentery, or urine
like
problem
this,
and
okay?
the kidney infections also.
This is Pakhanbet. What we call in Nepali? Yes, Pakhanbet. Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes.
what is the scientific name of Virginia?
Very good, Anurag. Scientific name of Virginia is Virginia crassifolia. What do we call? Virginia crassifolia. Okay. So next is aloe vera. Okay, ma'am will plant no aloe vera?
Yes.
Okay. Aloe vera in Nepali, what do we call aloe vera? In Nepali? Anyone? You what? Very good, Ribam. What do we call? Yukumari in Nepali. Okay.
Everyone, students, come.
Excuse me, miss.
Like this.
Yes.
What is the scientific name of aloe vera?
Okay, very good.
Do like this, okay?
Vervandensi. What do we call?
Vervandensi.
Vervandensi, okay? So, aloe vera gel. This under that aloe vera, inside that aloe vera, what will happen? The gel is there, yes, not you. It's gel. What do we call? Gel. So, that gel, it is very, very useful for moisturizer in our skins, okay? And wherever it burns, we can put this aloe vera. Understand? Did you understand the properties?
Yes.
Okay. Now the last one is peacock ginger. What do we call that?
Peacock ginger.
What do we call it in Nepali?
Bui jamha.
Yes. What is it?
Bui
Champa. So it is often used for burns, cut and broken joint. Okay, broken joint means if we broke this joint, what happened? What will look at here? We will band it here, understand? So this is very, very useful and powerful medicine.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
What is the scientific name of peacock ginger?
Peacock ginger. Okay. Scientific name of peacock ginger. Very good, Arushi. It is known as Chemphera rotunda. What do we call? Chemphera rotunda. Okay, this is very, very useful medicine. Okay.
Yes, miss.
We finished our medicinal garden. No, now gardening finished. Now we have to put this boat. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now put it here. What is this, Sumansu?
It is turmeric.
Yes, this is turmeric.
Okay. Now, leafy green vegetables such as spinach, lettuce. What are the green vegetables? Leafy green vegetables. Spinach. Do you like spinach?
Yes.
Lettuce,
Yes.
broccoli. So we have to prefer this vegetables, organic vegetables, or our medicine, because this is also very, very powerful in our body. Okay. So lettuce, spinach contain a high potassium. Okay, so for that the properties of lettuce and spinach is it will reduce high BP or blood pressure, lower the risk of our heart attack also. Okay, understand?
Yes. What is this, Nima?
Miss, this is tulsi.
Tulsi. Yes, good.
Okay, vegetables like broccoli fight with different infections or diseases. For example, if there is a cut, if we eat broccoli, it will be reduced properly and in proper manners, in proper way. Understand? So that type leafy green vegetables is like that powerful. Okay, their properties.
Okay, now Anushika, put it here. So Anushika, what is this?
Mint.
This is mint. Okay.
Okay, now, so it is all in all conclusion, all the vegetables, plants are very important and helpful to us. All the green vegetables, all the plants are very, very important in our body or in our life. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now Wangchuk. Put it here. So Wangchuk, what is this?
Peacock ginger.
Yes, this is peacock ginger.
Kushi? Now Kushi's time.
Kushi, do it here.
No, Kushi? Put it here. Properly. What is this, Kushi?
Miss aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Yes, this is aloe vera. Okay. Now rhythm. Put it here, rhythm. Rhythm. What is this, rhythm?
Virginia.
Yes, this is Virginia.
Okay. Now we all finished. Finally, we finished our medicinal plant gardening. Yes or no? Now, are you happy, students? Yes, miss. Okay, but we will be more happy when we get more positive results. Okay. Clap everyone for your help for your things.